I'm Fedrick. I'm a sales manager of Acoustics Asia Pacific. I take care of Acoustics across Asia Pacific, working with different distributors, dealers, and partners. White Rock Beach Club, it's a club that is positioning itself to be one of the largest and most luxurious beach club in the south of Bali. They wanted to design this beach club that is multi-purpose, that has a restaurant, a bar, extremely huge and long pool. When they first approached our partner CV Indoteknik, they have to start to design the system from scratch, knowing that this is going to be an open beach club. The sound system has to be something that is able to withstand that kind of extreme weather condition and still perform well. Void Acoustics play a really good part here by offering a different type of product that is able to fit into different type of design, and also having weather resistant speaker. It is 3,000 capacity beach club, so it is huge, and the designer felt that it is easy to design around with our sound system, because Void Acoustic actually has a different type of shape, sizes, colors to fit into different requirements that the designer actually need. So now we have like indigo speakers that is planted across all their restaurants. We have very beautiful cyclones in different parts of the beach club. By the pool, we have some venues in their private karaoke room. It is performing very well. The owner is very happy with it. In fact, the owner actually approached us again, wanting to expand the system again, because they are very happy with it, and because of the growing popularity of White Rock Beach Club, there is a lot more international headliners that's coming to perform, and the club owner wants to actually upgrade the system, and we are excited for what is going to come.